So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in msdt.exe space -id space power diagnostic. Click on enter. And now this will come up, the power troubleshooter. Click on next. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, if it detects any errors, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the last method, we're going to stay on command prompt, but now we're going to type in sfc space /scan now and then click on enter. Now you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in dism space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete both those scans, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.